Replace front brake pads. Jack it up and remove the front tire. Remove the pad sensor. It is not recommended to reuse the pad sensor. It is only attached on one side. After removing the connector, pull out the B and C pins by tapping them from front to back. It is useful to have a hammer pin D. The spring plate C is fixed with pins A and B. The removed pad, the pad is still there, but it has a lot of dust, so I replaced it with a pad that has less dust. I've extended the pistons to their maximum extent, otherwise the new pads won't fit. This is a tool for spreading out the pads. It's very useful. When you spread the pads, brake all may overflow, so it is better to drain some of it first. Expand the piston and attach the new pads to complete the installation. It will be easier to understand when putting it back if you take pictures of the steps before removing them. We finished by washing the car. Thank you for your hard work.